PROPSTREAM versus RESIMPLI. Which real estate investment tool is better for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing PROPSTREAM and RESIMPLI, two popular tools for real estate investors. If you're wholesaling, flipping, or building a rental portfolio, these platforms can help you generate leads, analyze deals, and manage your pipeline, but they serve different purposes. So which one is right for your investing strategy? Now let's dive in. To kick things off, what is PROPSTREAM? PROPSTREAM is a real estate data powerhouse. It gives you nationwide access to property data, owner info, mortgage details, comps, tax records, and more. You can pull motivated seller lists, skip, and even run comps, all in one dashboard. Think of it as your go-to platform for lead generation and market research. And I would consider it best for investors and wholesalers who want to find and analyze off-market properties. Now, on the contrary, what is RESIMPLI? RESIMPLI is an all-in-one CRM built for real estate investors. It's designed to help you manage your leads, track marketing campaigns, and make offers, and also close deals without needing multiple tools. It includes built-in skip tracing, phone system, accounting, KPI tracking, and even drip automation. And I would consider it best for investors who want to streamline their daily operations and manage everything in one system. Now let's talk about some key differences of both platforms. For instance, when it comes onto PROPSTREAM, its main focus is lead generation and property research, while RESIMPLI, on the other hand, its main focus is CRM, marketing management, and deal tracking. And if we were to compare them via data access, RESIMPLI is not a data platform. It's built to work with leads you already have or generate through marketing, while PROPSTREAM, on the other hand, offers nationwide property data, MLS, comps, liens, pre-closures, and more. And if we were to talk about lead management, with PROPSTREAM it offers minimal lead management. You will need to export data into another CRM or system, while RESIMPLI, on the other hand, is a full CRM with task tracking, follow-up automation, and detailed pipeline views. And if we were to compare them via marketing tools, RESIMPLI offers cold calling, SMS, drip campaigns, direct mail, and also response tracking, all automated, while PROPSTREAM, on the other hand, offers direct mail, email templates, and built-in skip tracing. And when it comes on to ease of use, with PROPSTREAM you can feel data heavy at first, but great once you learn to navigate, while with RESIMPLI, on the other hand, it is clean and beginner friendly, especially if you're managing a small to mid-sized team. Now let's compare their pricing, starting with PROPSTREAM. As you can see right here, with PROPSTREAM you can get started for $99 per month, and then you have additional add-ons that you can purchase, as you can see right there. While with RESIMPLI, on the other hand, if we were to check out their monthly plan, it starts off at $199 per month, and it can go up to $849 per month. So PROPSTREAM is better if you're mainly focused on finding new deals. Now RESIMPLI, on the other hand, is ideal if you already have a flow of leads and need a system to manage and close them. Now, which one should you choose? I would recommend that you go with PROPSTREAM if you are a wholesaler or flipper needing accurate data and motivated seller lists, or you want to target off-market deals and build custom lists by filters like liens, equity, or ownership type. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose RESIMPLI if you need a full all-in-one CRM to manage your leads, marketing, offers, and teams, or you're tired of using multiple tools and want everything under one roof. Both PropStream and RESIMPLI serve real estate investors, but they do it in different ways. So you can use PropStream for lead generation and property data, and on the other hand, you can use RESIMPLI to run your business and close deals faster. In fact, many investors use both tools together, grabbing leads from PropStream and then managing the pipeline inside of RESIMPLI. If you found this comparison helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.